Is the crypto crash over or is there more to come? Watch now to find out. Okay, guys, once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com. I just thought I'd pop in and do another quick technical analysis update and talk about the recent crypto crash. Is it over or is there more to come? For one, I want to talk a little bit, instead of trying to whip out my crystal ball and make predictions, I'd rather talk about why this is most likely happening. A whole lot of theories floating around. I hear everybody and their grandmother blaming this on China and deepseek. I'm sorry, deep seek. Okay, first let's clear this up. There always has to be a story. There always has to be a narrative. There always has to be an explanation as to why the markets are manipulated. And most of the time, whatever explanation you hear is whatever explanation uh, the media and the influencers, I guess, at this point, are paid to shovel off to you. Okay, I'm gonna give you the really real, cause on this channel, I give you the really real. Okay, based on my experience, more than 20 years speculating in the markets, nothing held back here. I'm just gonna tell you, this is the end of the month. When everybody's long, the house always wins, and the market makers are going to pull the price down at the end of the month, close to expiry. When everybody's long, they're going to try and remove as many long positions as humanly possible. They probably wiped out about 1 billion in liquidations. We still got a few days left, so anything can still happen. Are they full? Are their pockets fat? I don't know. Maybe they want more. Uh, if you want to know more about how to read this indicator in my crypto screener, the one that we developed over here at Amassers, right now these tools are free, and this is a great video to learn how in a brief amount of time to read them. Okay, let's pop over to some charts right fast. Okay, really quickly, let's just point this out. There's that huge move down. Everybody said, "Oh, this is it. This is deepseek. This is what's wrong." It's all the China guys. Okay, what's wrong is there are $500 billion on the table proposed. I just saw Donald Trump smiling with a group of oligarch oligarchs. I mean individuals, and they were all just sitting there, standing there smiling, talking about putting 500 billion into AI. And then it becomes evident all of a sudden the next day, a year after DeepSeek was launched, now it becomes evident to these guys that, wow, they've accomplished essentially the same thing as you guys, only they spent 6 million, and it requires less resources, can be way more efficient, and they decided to make it open source, so there'll be 1,000 people or more developing software um, far more efficient than what you're using right now. What's wrong? $500 billion shouldn't be dumped into something overnight because you don't have any way to recoup it. Okay, that's what's wrong. Go and read the story. What would be so special about Jack and the Beanstalk if everybody could go outside and plant a tree, a bean? I don't remember what it was, but overnight, boom, you've got a beanstalk to climb up to the sky. And I see this happening over and over again, especially in finance. And that's what's wrong. It's not. The reality is technology, and technology can evolve very quickly, and markets are meant to reflect nature. Okay, so when you start to see unnatural things happening, you have to understand that when a market drops like this super fast, market can resound itself just as fast. Why does it even bounce back? Okay, well, did everybody all of a sudden get over deep sink here and then we retraced back up? No. First, the market maker knocks out all of the longs that they can, and then they take their foot off the brakes and they let it come back up again. So now they've got an opportunity. Everybody who decided right here, oh, okay, I get it, it's going down, I'm going to short. Well, they get a little bit of your money too. And okay, they come back down, they go back up, they get a little bit more. You're still holding, you got diamond hands. Okay, we'll take some more of your money. Okay, how long and how strong is your diamond hands? Okay, each of these candles, an hour. It won't take long. You sell out. You want to know when everybody's sold out those short positions when the market starts diving back down again. Now you're seeing a small move here as we come back up. They're going to knock out as many positions as they can before expiry because that's what their game is all about. If you really want to know what's really going on and why this happens, all of this rubbish, I call it, about deepseek, in my honest opinion, that has very little to do with it. It's a year old. It was already here overnight. No one just, oh, look, I just discovered it's a top selling app, uh, most downloaded app in the App Store. It was already the most downloaded app. Okay. I'll get off my soapbox with that. I just wanted to give a quick update and clear up, in my opinion, what's really happening in crypto. Um, what am I doing right now? Well, if I could get another shot down here, I might pinch a little more and build me more of a position. This is Bitcoin on an hourly chart. Uh, we pop up here again. These guys decide to go ahead and shake out some of the guys who went short. If they have to go up to here, then they will go up to here. Yeah, I might sell a little there. I might size out of the position. What do we got here? This is all of this area in between. This is the average swing of the month. And this is resistance. So all of the guys claiming the sky is falling, this is the worst crash we've seen, blah blah blah. No, it's not. We barely got up here and just touched the average expected volatility on the month, and we pulled off. If you weren't at least taking some size off of your position, then you're not doing what some of the more proficient guys who trade this market are doing. This is why this is called equities. It's a equity. It's an underlying, the underlying asset. Oh, excuse me. The underlying asset is Bitcoin, but it's still an equity, and that means the price and the speculative value is floating all of the time. So get up here. I'm selling. Let's go back. Let's see if I can find a place. You see how long we've been bullish? See how many days I'm going by here? I've got to go way back. This is to build up everyone's tremendous confidence. Get down here. You see where we're almost at the average monthly move down. And I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this wick right here, this is like January the 13th, okay? We were already at the average monthly move down. We're not even halfway through the month at that point. That's where I'm trying to buy. I'm not trying to pick perfect lows. I'm not trying to pick perfect highs. I'm trying to either add or subtract from my position based on what I see in the market, because market makers are going to be in the market all the time. Retail traders are going to be in the market uh, until they get a little savvier. They're going to be in the market until they lose all their money. Um, Proficient traders, I don't like the idea of smart money, dumb money, blah, blah, blah. Proficient traders are going to be in the market because they know how to survive, and they're going to be in the market as long as they want to be in the market. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you guys on the next video. Once again, if you find this content helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content for with others. See you guys on the next one. Peace.